What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Miss Monroe, and we are back with another video. So as y'all can tell by the title, we're gonna be packaging orders, and I already packed 7 orders, and I already finished 7 orders. I have a couple more to do. I think I have 6 or 7 more to do, something like that, but I'm not going to do all of them just because some of them I have to do my influencer packages, but I want to put a little bit more into theirs. My nephew, I guess, is going to help me. I don't know. But I have everything set out. I'm going to show you guys. I did have my soft opening, so I'm going to ship out my orders today. I did do some that I didn't finish, but this is my boxes and stuff and what they look like. So let's get into it. So these are the packages I've already done. I have some tissue paper, bubble wrap, decoration, poly mailers, my boxes, more decoration, my pens and oils and mirrors. And my computer is over there somewhere. We're about to get to it now.
That's it.
So I basically just take my poly mailer and I put the box inside.
Get this one.
Wait, let me get to that.
Do you need this?
Yeah, can you open it?
Me?
Yeah.
Fine.
I just peel the plastic off and I seal it down. But before I do that, I like to kind of mark how I'm going to do it. So
take it off.
So it's like that almost.
Did they take it off?
Wait, give me a second. Let me put this in first.
Fine. This is beautiful.
Beautiful. Just one. Just one.
This one.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
So he peeled off multiple for me. But I'm going to just take my little sticky note, put it on this side.
Here you go, ma'am.
Nope, I'm going to put it on this side.
Here you go, ma'am.
No, not yet. We gotta wait till we finish the order.
Me.
And I'm gonna just write whose name it is.
You write my name. This is not my name. This my name. This my name is all you. This my name. This my name.
So boom, we got one back in the pile.
Me.
And I'm gonna wait until I finish all of these to print out the labels so that way I could just weigh them all and do them all at once.
I can do this?
So I did get these boxes from Box Up. You do gotta fold them, which is kind of annoying. I have a small size, but I guess it's okay right now. I don't gotta do this part now. So I've been doing black tissue paper at the bottom, but I want to try the white. So can you get that tissue paper?
Me?
So the box is little, as you guys can see. So what I do is I fold it and put it in.
Gimme. That me.
Give me the box.
No, I need it.
You want to put it in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you put
Right
it in.
there?
Alright, so this person ordered the hairpin duo. She gets 1 gold queen and 1 silver queen. So she gets this and this in this small box.
And this.
We don't need that.
This is it.
So just putting her order in this little thing. Taking some of my decorations My red.
This?
Yeah.
Let me do it. Yeah.
They get a thank you card. You give me 2.
One more.
Okay.
One more.
So their box is actually very nice, well put together. They got their order. Yeah.
It's stuck.
Put it in the poly mailer.
Me?
No. Thank you.
Yeah, you want that.
Write the name.
Yes. And here you go.
My sincerest apologies. My camera died, but I do want to show you guys what my orders look like. So I put them all in here, or tried to at least. It's like layers. So now we about to go put them in the post office. I'm about to get them. Come on. Hand them to me. One at a time. Thank you. One. All right, y'all. We dropped them off.
Thank you. I love you, baby.
Thank you, baby.
I'm not a baby.
Thank you.
Tell your mom let me say hi, okay?
You want to get paid? You want money? You want some money? I give you some money, okay? High five. Good job. I delivered my packages and I am so excited. So excited. So, and I felt all bougie, you know, because I just walked up and let my packages go when everybody was in line. That line was going outside of the post office, y'all. I was so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so excited for all the queens and kings to get their packages. But I'm just going to end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, period. Okay. Bye, y'all. Diva is a female version of a hustler. Diva is